How to get a Replit free plan. This is Matt, and in this video I will show you how to sign up to Replit and have a free account. I'll go through some of the pricing and different payment options that you have here as well. So importantly, first of all, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click my link just below this video, you will get a bonus from Replit, a certain number of credits, depending on what promotion Replit is currently running. So we're here on the main page. Once you've clicked my link, you can start to prompt directly from here as you would normally with a large language model, and click, once you put your prompt in, you click this arrow. It will actually inform you that you will need an account. But the quickest way to do this is just to come up to the very top, this orange button, we're going to click on Create Account. And from there, this is the super simple way that you actually just sign up for your Replit account. You're going to get the free account by default. I'll show you some more options just so I cover everything. If you do have an existing Google account or Gmail, you can log in with Google. There you can use email, old school, or you could use GitHub. If you have a GitHub account, an X account, formerly Twitter, you can use that, and also Apple. So email or Google account are the most common ways. You will create your account through there. So if you want email, you're going to enter your email and password there and click create account. You get your free account. I'm not going to do that right now as I do have an account, but I do want to show you some pricing. So I come on over to the pricing page right here. You can see on the screen the yearly billing is showing all of these prices. The yearly billing, pay per annum, 10% off. So again, that's saving. So they've got this free forever plan. I do have a detailed video. I've got lots of videos actually on Replit. I do have a video in detail on pricing if you want to check that out. This is a video, of course, about how to get that free plan. Just to show you, just want to be thorough here, so I'll show you the difference between the free plan and the paid plans. So like I say, you get that free plan. It's free daily agent credits. You've got the built-in databases for full stack apps. You can create slides, videos, animations, publish up to one project, and you can also publish private or password protected deployments. Some frequently asked questions at the bottom. If you want to know more about the pricing, you can sign up in the same way that I showed you earlier by clicking that sign up button there at the bottom there. Just to cover the pricing plans, they've got two main premium plans. They've got Replit Core at $18 per month and Replit Pro at $90 per month. Replit Core gives you everything in starter, plus you're getting $20 a monthly credits. And some other benefits for collaborators and agents. Replit Pro, by default, you're getting everything in core that I read there, plus $100 equivalent in monthly credits. So much better options than free, of course, but this is a paid plan. You're also getting 15 collaborators and 50 viewers. And if you want more credits, if you want 250 credits, you can pay $250 per month. For example, it scales up that way, as you can see there. You don't have to get a paid plan, of course. Click my link, get the free plan. You can use it free forever. That's cool as well. If you want a little more, you can get one of these paid plans. But I recommend test driving the platform, see what it's like, whether it's the right platform for you. You don't know until you try, so give it a try. If you want one of the paid plans, you can do that later on. They also have this enterprise plan for larger companies, if that is for you, or you could just stick forever on the free plan. That is how you get that free account with Replit. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.